Are you looking for the best replacement shocks for the Ford Ranger? In this video, we will break down the top 5 replacement shocks for Ford Ranger on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Bilstein 24 to 188,258 rear shock. Bilstein 24 to 188,258 rear shock is compatible with both Ford and Mazda vehicles, including 4-wheel drive Ford Ranger models. Like all monotube shocks, Bilstein's model has excellent heat dispersion capacity, which allows it to handle strong vibrations over long periods of time. The fluid inside the shock prevents aeration and reduces the friction the rod encounters while moving. This rear replacement shock has the I16mm upper mount type and I12mm lower mount type, which allows for easy installation without any adjustments to the shock. Moreover, the Bilstein 24 to 188,258 is made from durable lightweight materials that don't corrode quickly, even if they are exposed to rain or snow frequently. This rear shock also has a protective layer that provides additional protection against corrosion. The fact that Bilstein 24 to 188,258 is used by professional racers speaks volumes about its quality. This is a reliable replacement shock for the Ford Ranger that will allow you to keep control of your vehicle at all times. At number 2. Belltech 8000 Nitro Drop 2 Shock Absorber. Among the most affordable options on the market is this high-performance shock absorber. In particular, drivers who fit this shock absorber to a Ford Ranger truck may notice the first day's result. Of course, the load capacity with this type of vehicle is much more formidable. Plus, drivers can enjoy a more pleasant drive. One of the most important aspects of this unit is the non-cavitation valve train design. In this way, this component can prevent air from reducing efficiency. Anyone can notice this when analyzing the exterior design of this shock absorber. This is why it is a shock absorber prepared to face a wide variety of situations. Of all the shock absorbers out there, this option provides an assured fit for the Ford Ranger. In particular, it is a high-pressure shock absorber that adapts to different levels of use. This component is powered by nitrogen gas as only the best parts can do. Therefore, the functionality and results are very different compared to other shock absorbers. On one hand, the metal dust guard is fully covered for durability and longevity. In turn, this can also provide a much more efficient and clean operating environment. Alternately, the entire construction of this unit provides additional comfort as well as superior control and performance. So, when it comes to carrying heavy loads, these best replacement shocks for Ford Ranger can be a big help. At number 3. Rancho RS 999254 RS 9000 XL Series Shock. Rancho's RS 9000 XL Series Shock Absorber is the perfect fusion of craftsmanship and performance. Featuring the MyRide tuning technology, the RS 9000 XL offers you the option to select from an incredible 9 different levels of ride quality or performance, seamlessly adjusting to any condition. Nitrogen gas charged and geared with polyurethane bushings, these shock absorbers are primed to provide you with ideal and perfect performance. Not only that, a large 18mm chrome rod and liquid metallic finish ensure that the RS 9000 XL series shock absorbers are not only sleek in design but built to last. When it comes to suspensions and shocks, Rancho has been a go-to brand since the 1950s. At number 4. New Bilstein front and rear shocks. Bilstein 4600 series shock absorbers and struts are designed specifically to help your truck, van or SUV reach its pinnacle in ride performance and handling, while still providing the comfortable ride that has come to be expected from Bilstein. A 4600 series equipped vehicle offers superior control compared to conventional alternatives, allowing you to keep cargo secure, from your kids to work equipment, mile after mile. Utilizing our patented design, the dampers allow the vehicle to glide over every type of road surface you may encounter while maintaining complete command at all times. These dampers are the least expensive and most effective upgrade to extend the service life of any vehicle out on the road today. At number 5. Monroe 58643 Load Adjust Shock Absorber. Monroe load adjusting shock absorbers provide superior comfort for everyday driving and adjust rapidly to changing road and weight conditions. These units include a heavy gauge calibrated spring for extra control and comfort when hauling or towing. A new pair of Monroe load adjusting shock absorbers can assist in maintaining ride height with up to 1,100 pounds of additional weight. They are ideal for light trucks that carry varying loads or tow trailers. All-weather fluid containing special modifiers to reduce friction and ensure smooth rod reaction. Full displaced valving is specifically tuned for each application, automatically adjusts for comfort and consistency. Fluon banded piston for consistent sealing with the pressure tube, improved control, and greater durability. Nitro carburized rod provides long service life. Nitrogen gas charge design improves ride and handling, helps maintain tire-to-road contact by reducing aeration. Self-lubricating fluid seal designed to retain gas while preventing excessive wear and friction. Innovative valving results in greater control with improved ride comfort.